we're trying out this old-fashioned Ngohiong from this old Chinese Nghoiong place here in Cebu City. So if you talk of the Ngohiong from Five Spice, it's like a poor man's version of the kikiam. But in Cebu, probably in hard times, the Ngohiong was created wherein the ordinary lumpia wrapper is just drenched in a bit of batter. For today, it's filled with ubod, no? Coconut pith. It's parang a very popular version of the lumpia. Para siyang prayer petition, pero hindi. Actually, nag-order tayo ng ating Ngohiong. Nakita mo yung menu dito? That's the menu. You have to write it down. Kasi on school days, lalo na pag lunchtime, dinudumog sila. So, very convenient. Write your own order, pass it on, and dali din nila ma-compute. Ito yung Ngohiong. Ito, dalawang sauce to kino-combine to get the perfect spiciness. Ito, old school na old school. Light and crisp. Yung ulam, kinakain na ng mga estudyante. Malapit dito yung University of San Carlos dito. Magkano yung 14 pesos. Budget meal and the puso 10 pesos. Pero kulang yung 1 puso. So, 2 puso. Tango yung, tara na. Tumikim lang tayo ng isa. And yung taste niya is just savory, no? Very simple yung lasa niya, but you taste the five spice. In fact, this is one of the better na mga Ngohiong in terms of texture kasi it's light and very crisp.